Всем привет! Добро пожаловать в Language 5. Hello everyone, welcome to Language 5. If you're new to Russian and want to learn this language easily and effectively, then you have come to the right place. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and like this video. Today, I will be teaching you the most common words and phrases you can use while traveling in a Russian-speaking country. So how can you communicate with a local? How can you ask for directions, order food at a restaurant, or talk about your Russian language skills, or ask for help in an emergency situation? Everything will be explained in detail in this video. So first, the greetings. When you approach a local, you have to greet that person, right? So you can go with these words. Привет, which is an informal greeting, and здравствуйте, which is a formal greeting. You can also use the word извините, which is excuse me, thank you, спасибо, thanks a lot, большое спасибо, you're welcome, пожалуйста, please, also пожалуйста, не за что literally means for nothing, and that means you're welcome, also an answer to спасибо. Меня зовут, my name is. You can say меня зовут and just attach your name. Меня зовут Виктор, for example. I am from, я из. For example, I am from Turkey, я из Турции. Меня зовут Ахмед, я из Турции. I'm a foreigner, я иностранец. And this would be the male foreigner. If you're a woman, a girl, you can say я иностранка. I'm a tourist, я турист. I'm a female tourist, я туристка. And the most useful question would be, excuse me, where is something? Извините, где здесь? And just attach a place. For example, извините, где здесь аптека? Excuse me, where is the pharmacy? Or извините, где здесь музей? Excuse me, where is the museum? You can also use the word ближайший, which means nearest. For example, извините, где здесь ближайшая аптека? Or где здесь ближайшая станция метро? And you may hear the following answers from the locals. Идите прямо, which is go straight. Поверните направо, turn right. Поверните налево, turn left. И перейдите дорогу, which is cross the road. Excuse me, where can I find something? Извините, где я могу найти? Can be an alternative to где здесь something. For example, извините, где я могу найти торговый центр? Excuse me, where can I find the shopping mall? The next question would be, excuse me, do you have something? Извините, у вас есть something? And you can use it if you're at a grocery store, you are looking for a certain item, or if you're looking for a certain place. For example, извините, у вас есть свежая сметана? Excuse me, do you have fresh sour cream? Or извините, у вас есть овсянка? Excuse me, do you have oatmeal? The next one is, I want to connect to Wi-Fi. Я хочу подключиться к Wi-Fi. I need the Wi-Fi password. Мне нужен пароль от Wi-Fi. Let's say you are at a restaurant and you need internet. And now coming to the verbs. I know. Я знаю. I only know. Я только знаю. I only know English. Я только знаю английский. I don't know Russian. Я не знаю русский. I know Russian poorly. Я знаю русский плохо. Do you know? Вы знаете? Do you know English? Вы знаете английский? So, excuse me, do you know English? Извините, вы знаете английский? I'm a foreigner. Я иностранец. I understand. Я понимаю. I don't understand. Я не понимаю. Excuse me, I don't understand you. Извините, я не понимаю вас. Excuse me, I don't understand Russian. Извините, я не понимаю по-русски. I am looking for. Я ищу. I am looking for a national museum. Я ищу национальный музей. I am looking for a subway metro station. Я ищу станцию метро. I wanna find. Я хочу найти. I wanna find a museum. Я хочу найти музей. I wanna find a theater. Я хочу найти театр. And you can also use this sentence if you are at a grocery store and you're saying, I want to find a mayonnaise. Я хочу найти майонез. I speak. Я говорю. I only speak. Я только говорю. I only speak English. Я только говорю по-английски. Do you speak English? Ты говоришь по-английски. Or in a formal way, вы говорите по-английски. Excuse me, you speak fast. Извините, вы говорите быстро. I don't understand you. Я не понимаю вас. The next verb means I will, я буду, and you can use it at a restaurant, especially when you are ordering. For example, I will have a Caesar salad and dumplings. Я буду пельмени, which is the Russian style dumplings, и салат Цезарь. Я буду пельмени и салат Цезарь. Or I will have a strawberry cheesecake and coffee. Я буду клубничный чизкейк и кофе. And speaking of restaurants, if you want to use the question, may I have something please? Can I have something please? You can go with this question in Russian, and that is можно мне something, пожалуйста? Can I have something please? For example, можно мне меню, пожалуйста? Can I have the menu, please? You can also skip мне, and you can say можно меню, пожалуйста? Or can I have the bill, please? Можно счет, пожалуйста? How much does it cost? Сколько это стоит? And the following words can also be helpful. For example, the words such as entrance, which is вход, exit, which is выход. For example, excuse me, where is the exit? Извините, где здесь выход? Or the words such as open and closed. Открыто, open, и закрыто, closed. If you're lost somewhere, you can go with the verb потеряться, and you can say я потерялся. But потерялся would be the masculine version. And if you're a woman, you can say я потерялась. And if you are in an emergency situation and need to ask for help, you can go with the following sentences. Help me, please. Помогите мне, пожалуйста. Can you help me? Можете мне помочь? I need help. Мне нужна помощь. Call an ambulance, please. Вызовите скорую, пожалуйста. Call the police. Вызовите полицию. Call a taxi, please. Вызовите такси, пожалуйста. I'm not feeling well. Я чувствую себя плохо. And now coming to the payment, if you are at a store and want to pay with your credit card or, in cash, you can go with the sentences and say, могу ли я оплатить or заплатить кредитной карточкой? Can I pay with a credit card? Or, могу ли я заплатить наличными? Can I pay in cash? If you want to exchange your money, you can say, я хочу обменять something, the amount, долларов. For example, я хочу обменять $100. And if you're looking, by the way, an exchange office, you can look for something, пункт обмена валют. So these were the most common words and phrases you can use while you're traveling in a Russian-speaking country. Hope this video was interesting, useful, and informative for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to leave a comment. I would be happy to answer all of your questions. See you next video.